back to Superstar Glam. Today's video is my review on the new e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand products. Just recently launched and just got them in, so I definitely wanted to give them a try. But before we jump into that, if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the little button down below, subscribe. While you're there, also click the little notification bell, that way you're alerted every time I upload a video. If you're interested in my review on the new e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wands, then just keep watching. So here are the 5 products that I was able to pick up from the new launch from e.l.f. It's the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand Contour. I got 2 shades. One is light medium, the other one is medium tan. Also, the blush, I have 2 of them. The third one that I wanted to get actually sold out, so one of these I wasn't planning to get, and the other one might be a little too light, but we'll see. Magic Hour and Candlelight or Candlelit. And then the third one was Highlight. Also, the one I wanted to get was sold out, so I got Rose Quartz. As my base, I am wearing the Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I'm going to go in with a light first. My skin tone is, I would say, medium. In the summer, I am a little bit more between medium and tan. So the only reason why I picked this one up is because I wanted to see if it would work because of the cool tone of aspect of it. As I'm applying it now, I don't see like it's going to make quite a difference. So if you're around my skin tone, I would definitely just get the medium tan. I have not set anything down, so everything is still on a wet surface. And a little bit goes a long way. I feel like I added a little bit too much. I'm going to take the brush I use for the foundation and just go over the edges. Okay, I really did like the tone of it, and I liked the blendability of it. This is the brush I use for the concealer, so I'm just going over, blending out again the edges. I think that if you are already on the oily side, you would not like this. I could see this like on a more mattifying foundation, especially if you have like combination skin. It can balance out the foundation from being a little too drying or mattifying, and then throwing in these products that are a little bit more glowy to give you back that like skin-like look to your face. But right now I feel like it's giving me a little bit of extra glow. Yeah. Okay, for a blush, like I said, I have 2 shades, but I feel like one of them is going to be a little too light. This one is Candle Lit. Okay, I did squeeze. Okay, I feel like these can get a little too messy if you squeeze a little too much, but I did waste a lot of product, but that's also my fault. I squeezed out too much. And then this one's the Magic Hour. Okay, did it again. Lesson learned. Okay, how much does it say this product has? That's not a lot of product. 0.33 fluoride ounce, and then they are $9 each. So for e.l.f., these are kind of a little pricey. So these are the 2 colors I have. I think I'm just going to mix it and then apply it. Magic Hour, I feel, is like a bronzy shade, literally. And then Candle Lit is like a pinky tone, like a rose gold. I have like a stippling brush. I'm going to lightly tap this. I could see this, like I said, working so much better on a not so dewy foundation. Yeah, the other color that they have, I think it would have given me a little bit more like a flesh tone. This one gives me like a natural, like vacay type of vibe shade. Okay, and you do have to work fast with these because they do actually dry down. I'm having a hard time removing it completely from the back of my hand. Now all I'm going to do is just going to go over my concealer and then set my face with a little bit of translucent just to mattify a little bit more, and then I'll go in after with the highlight to see how it works with like a powdered surface and then applying it, or if it's going to act up and you have to do it on a wet base. So I'll try this out, but in the meantime, I just want to set the under eye. I've set the face and I actually like how my skin looks. It actually just gave it a really nice set to the face, and I still feel like I look glowy, like a healthy glow. Now, the dilemma for me is how am I going to apply this highlight? Ugh, like, I know that a lot of people use these products with this little sponge. Everybody's coming out with them, high end and lower end, and they usually dab it, but I don't want it to lift underneath. But should I try it anyways? Okay, I guess I'm gonna try it. Uh, I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a few little dabs. Ooh, it's definitely glowy. I'm gonna work fast because if it's, ooh, it did lift. Oh no. Maybe that's the issue and you have to apply it on the wet surface. I'm gonna try applying it to the back of my hand and with a brush, kind of lightly dab it. I have immediate thoughts. I think this will definitely work better if applied on a wet surface just for the blendability. Number two, if I were to use this product, which I will because it's actually a really nice shade and it actually gives a really good, nice, healthy glow, I don't think that I would combine all of these. I think that separately they will work for me personally. They will work better if I use them separately. So this highlight would definitely be something that I could totally use if I am using everything mattifying, like the a matte blush and a full coverage foundation, and then setting everything very matte. I think this will be a really cool, like a topper, and just bring back that glow, the healthy cheek glow. The blush, I could totally see myself adding it, but I think also the same way, more of like a cheek topper. And personally, I love a more mattifying blush only because I love highlight. So I tend to want to control how much highlight or shine I have on my cheeks. So I rather have the items separately. For the contour, I actually really did love the shade, the tone. Definitely for me, it's the medium tan for my skin tone, and it blended out really, really nicely. I'm going to finish the rest of my face, my eyes, and I'll be back for my final thoughts. Okay, so this is what the end product looks like. So there was a little bit of back and forth with these products. So let's start off with the contour. The contour shade for me was the medium tan. The light medium didn't do anything for me. It was just like a tad bit darker than my shade. So definitely am medium tan. Medium tan was really, really nice. It actually was deep enough, and I just loved how it blended out. So in order to work that product, it was seamless. Okay, onto the blush. I feel that the blushes would be such a great addition when you are trying to just have like a flush of color and just look very like healthy, glowy. My preference, I would definitely top this off with like a matte blush and then try to work this with maybe like a sponge, a wet sponge like on top, just to give me that dimension. In terms of the highlight, it would have to be something I also use sparingly because it is pretty intense, or maybe when I am more of like a full face of like matte products, and this giving me like the perfect glow. It was really, really nice. The products as a whole, the whole Halo line, in my opinion, are really, really good quality products. Like I said, they are $9 per tube and you don't even get an ounce. My thing is they are pretty pricey, but they are sold at drugstores, so you can always find a good deal. Buy one, get one free. 20-30% off. Ulta always has coupons and discounts, so you will always be able to find this at a even more affordable price, and I think they are totally worth it. If you're already oily, I don't know that you would even like this product. I think that for those that have combo and dry skin, I think you would definitely love it. I think this is also a product that if you wear a lot of lightweight products, if you definitely love Halo Glow Liquid Filter Foundation, you will definitely love this just because it does the same thing. It gives you just a shine, a glow from within. Ultimately, I really did love these products. I think they're awesome for the drugstore. They're great quality. They're long wearing for being such a glowy product. So I would definitely recommend if you're in the market and you have been eyeing all the high-end products to definitely try this. It's going to give you such a nice glow from within. So I would definitely recommend it. And I hope this was a useful video for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.